Henry. What's the matter? I've got boiler ache. And I'm collecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trucks of special Island of Sodor coal for you. Oh, thank you, Thomas. The special coal made me feel much better. But I wish I could make Mr. Conductor feel better too by finding her.
Hello, Thomas and your 5 coal trucks. Rum, rum.
5? We're supposed to have 6. Hello, Percy.
Thomas, I've been worried. Bertie says you lost a coal truck today.
Yes, it disappeared when I was at the buffers. Near the little grotto.
Maybe those are the buffers that lead to the secret railway.
And the grotto is the Lost Engine special platform. Oh, yes! Percy, you protect those buffers from Diesel. What? And I'll find Miss Conductor. Me? But why me? Because you're a brave engine, Percy. Oh, I forgot.